Okay, it's another unboxing video. So today we are unboxing my Ninja. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge. All right, let's go. Okay, so this Ninja is a glass blender that I'm going to use during my Stick to Glow 21 days Stick to Glow piece. I never know how to get maybe. Okay, well, maybe I should have unboxed from the box now. Very smart. I just threw it away. That is totally for the video. I'd never do that in real life. Are you kidding me? This is real life, I guess. Okay. This is it. It's huge. I don't know what's in here, but this is it. Ninja, Foodi, blender, and soup maker. Which, can you have cold soups? Or is that not a thing? Soup just supposed to be hot. Oh gosh. So we're very close to the start of the juice bar. It's just a few days away. And I'm actually going to be using it today. It's a lot. It feels like, oh, it's got like cook, blend, pre-cook, and then it's got all these other settings. It's got like the measuring cup and the splash lid and blend ingredients, and you probably can see more than I can. Oh, because you can cook whole fruit hot. You can cook hot food. So the first thing is the manual, and then I think I've been packed. You know, I'm gonna put this to the side because it's a huge box. Just to clean it, because this would just suck. You know, I bought this because I thought a juicer would be too much to clean. And I'm like this would be just as hard to clean. Oh, that was heavy. Okay. That was a lot. That was a workout. I'm not even gonna, that was a proper workout. That felt a lot. So heavy. Okay, it's not like so heavy, but like for a blender, it's quite heavy. You know, I wasn't expecting that. Obviously, it's glass. But it just feels, is there something about anyone else who just feel like glass is, it makes things feel well made? I'm trying to see what the bottom is because I don't think I checked that. If it's not stainless steel glass, I feel like it kind of defeats the whole purpose. Oh. Okay, well I should have checked that. We'll see. We shall see, because I'm trying to spend money on a glass blender, like, do you know what I mean? And then not having the other parts be non-toxic as well. I mean, that's the only reason I bought it. So, and I will admit, I did buy it very quickly, so I didn't read that many reviews or watch any reviews on it, which I normally would do. Gosh, this is so heavy. I'm probably just gonna get a juicer because if a blender is this heavy, like, and I know it's probably meant that. Like, what is this actually? Why is it so heavy? The base. All right, let's just turn it around. Arm workout. I don't need to go to the gym today. I'm gonna go today anyway. But I mean, I'm already dressed. I mean, it's very well made. I'd give it that. This is a very sturdy piece of equipment. This is not flimsy. This is strong. Not strong, strong with a K. You know that one? Strong. Yo, yeah. This is a weighty piece of equipment. Okay. Oh my god, that's weird. And this is the Ninja glass blender.